Wagwan sports fans, welcome back to another video. I'm your host Omar.
I'm Rush.
And this is This or That Sports TV, the place on the internet you guys come to get the best, most riveting and interesting sports discussions on the internet.
Yeah, so today we're on the road again, doing one more of our Manning Cup team features. And today we're at 2019 finalists. Talk to them for me.
Yeah, and they would have been eliminated on the worst way possible to be eliminated in football, a penalty shootout. And JC ultimately reigned superior in that year. And this season, after missing a whole year, Staths are back with blood in their eyes, and the only theme on their hearts is revenge. They want to undo what was done to them a few seasons ago. Yes, they're a bit inexperienced this year. They have mostly debutants this season. However, I think with the preparation that has been done, with the team that they do have, they can make a fight for this year's championship.
Alright, so you heard it, people. We're going to talk to the coach and a few of the standout players. So let's go and see what's going on.
Alright.
Phillip Williams, head coach, St. Andrew Technical High.
Alright, so we're here with Phillip Williams. So thanks for having us, coach. Alright, so coach, one main thing that has been a theme of these interviews in the past is preparation. This year has been an unprecedented year. Explain to me the preparation that St. Andrew Technical were able to have for this season.
Well, it wasn't adequate to say the least because you know of the coronavirus and how it had affected the entire world, Jamaica no doubt. So we had to have a truncated preparation, which in most cases was not sufficient to get these boys up and ready to represent and present themselves to their best of their ability. But we were happy in terms of having football back in Jamaica, and the youngsters, their first season playing Manning Cup, definitely were enthused to get it going. So whatever downfall we had in terms of preparation, we have high spirit in terms of looking forward to the competition.
Richard
Livingston, a St. Andrew Technical High School standout. Alright, Bala, so we just want to ask you a few questions today. Starting out by, how does it feel, or how has this season been for you so far?
Devastating. Been a great one to see that we have qualified for the second round and now in the second round, the second place, looking forward to go to the semi-finals of the competition.
Well, I'm Ajani, the right back or the centre back for the St. Andrew Technical team, also one of the vice captains.
What's the age?
Age 18 in the 11th grade at Staths.
So have you played Manning Cup before, or this is the first season?
No, first season.
And how does it feel to be playing big boy football for the first time?
Very nice, you know. Get us the experience going the
Now we are here with
Omar, Reid, captain of St. Andrew Technical High School, play centre forward, grade 11.
grade 11. Alright, so how old are you?
I'm 18 years old.
18 years old. So is this your first year Manning Cup?
Yes.
First year Manning Cup. So how does it feel, not only playing in your first season, but also being awarded the captain's armband for the team?
Well, it's a great honour. Well, for play St. Andrew Technical High School as well. I was a little bit nervous, but as I get to play, confidence starts build up on me.
My name is NicoLloyd, 18 years old, level grade, B level B, position central midfield.
Alright. So you're 18 years old. This is your first year playing Manning Cup, or you played before?
First year.
I always represented Staths?
Yeah, from Pepsi.
So how does it feel to be playing, big boy football for the first time?
It's a great feeling, playing amongst the big boys.
Alright, coach, you mentioned it a little while ago, but I want to talk about 2019, right? There was no Manning Cup last year. How many of those players are in the squad right now?
Well, as you know, we went to the 2019 final, and that was a good crop of guys who we were looking to have had back in 2020. We should have seen us put in a good show in terms of going for the title. Unfortunately, because of the corona, we did not have that. They did not have that chance, and because of that, we were out for 2 years, and that definitely put a dent in the program and the continuity of the program. We have a young squad. I think 15 plus is the average age. None of them have any Manning Cup experience, so it's all a new experience for the entire squad operating at this stage in schoolboy football.
All right. How did it feel to lose that final on penalties and a latch, so to speak?
Well, it's never a good feeling to lose. It doesn't matter what stage of the competition. One of our motto down here is winning is an habit, and we try to stick to that motto as best as possible. So losing in the final is as if we're losing at any other stage in the way that we prepare them mentally for. But definitely it was a tough one for us. It's the second time that we have lost to JC in the final with the same scoreline and the penalty. I think it's 5-3 or 5-4, something like that. But it's not a good feeling to lose a game, the final game in the competition, knowing that you're so close. But it's all a part of development. We win, we lose, and we draw, and all of that give the guys different life learning experience that they will definitely draw on in later in their life.
Take me through this season. Describe it for me. What has the season been like?
Well, first, everybody was very nervous for the first game. Then we started to play, created a bond with each other during the camp, during the time we spent. And it was a good experience. A little bit of challenge was there, but we overcome.
It's one that we are very pleased of. We had a projection to get these guys ready for 2023 in terms of their age and their experience at this level, and to see them getting a chance to showcase themselves in the quarter-final is a plus for them, knowing that the plans that we had for they are probably 2 years before that time in terms of what they are doing now. So it's a good experience for them, and definitely we are in the quarter-final. We have one match remaining versus Mona, and we are looking to put our best foot forward and see how best this team can navigate the Mona challenge and give themselves a chance to play in the semi-final.
As a defender, describe yourself for me. What type of right back and centre back are you?
Well, I'm an aggressive player, less attacking, more like a player to win the ball, pass it.
Let's keep it simple, protect my goal first, and try to take the lead as early as possible. My centre I watch like Marco Verratti.
Oh, so you're a variety type player.
Yeah.
Short, creative, aggressive, good passer.
Yeah.
Alright, that's a good comparison. You know how many goals you've scored so far in the Manning Cup?
2.
2 goals, and how many more do you plan to score as the season continues?
6 more.
6 more. You would have Staths and Excelsior would have gotten lucky, I would say, because of
Blessed.
yeah, blessed. Yeah, see, that's the word, guys. So you guys are blessed because of the opportunity. How do you feel that you guys have gotten a second chance?
Well, so excited now. TV, everybody get to see it. So we are very excited.
And walk us through your and your team's reaction when you heard that you guys will
The
do.
reaction, like, came back on the Monday and was like, we are one down. I said, we coach our chat over now, coach it, you know. Camperdown and Tivoli use non-eligible player. I was like, excited. I said, yo, man, them rush come out for train and I never want to train there. I would just get at it and put in the work.
Well, as I said before, we have been playing good football right through from day one, right up to our last match versus Jonathan Grant, and we finished on 12 points, more than some of the teams in the other groups have finished on. And in terms of feeling right to be here, it's unfortunate for the other 2 schools, but in terms of what we have been doing, being here is just right for these guys. Unfortunate for the other school, but in terms of how we played, we feel that we can represent at this level in terms of the quarterfinal, and we have been doing so. We won our first game very, very handsomely. So we feel that we are to be here. Honestly, the way we have been playing, unfortunate for the other 2 schools, the way they got out.
We've been playing good football down here. It's just like we never get any TV match. That's why people do not see us, but we're playing good football down here.
So you think you guys are going to take advantage of this opportunity and win the Manning Cup?
That is it. That's a pray.
Alright.
Most definitely.
Most definitely.
Staths are going to win Manning Cup straight up.
Sure.
Alright.
Yes, we definitely will, and we have no fear.
Alright. Thank you, Rob.
It's a possibility, and we are doing our best to see how we can achieve that. You know, it's going to be very tough in terms of there are more mature teams out there that are playing some very good football, and it's going to be tough for this young bunch. But I know that they will be giving it their best shot, and definitely that is something in the back of their mind in terms of going all the way.
Alright guys, so that's it. You heard it from the Staths players and coach. They're looking forward to winning this year's Manning Cup.
Yeah, after being not lucky but blessed with an opportunity, got their chance and they're hell bent on making it count. They're hell bent on making the most of their second chances. What do you think about the system that the coach has put together?
Well, it looks good, you know, a bit inexperienced. But the thing is, with this young team, their fate is in their hands. All they have to do is not lose the next game against Mona and they're into the semi-finals.
For sure, and that's been a grand theme throughout the whole Manning Cup. Inexperience, youth, first year seasons. People playing for their first time. So we've seen it all here today. We've seen talent, we've seen skill, we've seen belief, faith, and I think Staths has what it takes to make some noise.
Alright. Let us know in the comment section, guys. What do you think of Staths team so far? Check out their game against Mona
on Saturday. All they need is a draw to qualify. Will they do enough? Or will my favorite for surprise team be able to get the 3 points and to advance to the group?
Alright, guys. So that's it from us here today at St. Andrew Technical High School.
But
you know, what you want to do?
Before we go, we still haven't told them. Like the video,
right?
Subscribe,
right now.
Share the video, comment and tell us what you think about Staths program and what you think about all the other ones that we've done thus far. Guys, we're out here on the road, campaigning, going hard, so you guys can get the best content. As you guys know, this is that Sports TV. And before we go, I have the maths for you now.
Give them.
If each one of you guys can get us 5 subscribers, do you know how many subscribers that would get us by the end of the day? So guys, just do the thing now. Put in the work. Get with the subscribers them. This is that Sports TV.
We're out.